my opinion, this is an opportunity for us to not only strengthen the people of Texas or people across the world want to stand up, but we have an incredible tokenomics within our token that's all about an endowment. This idea of how can you secure your future? How can you create in perpetuity cash flows? We've learned a lot from Richard Hart. And I'm so thankful that he is forking Ethereum and building the PULSEchain. Why? Because it gives us an opportunity to build value. And we want to tokenize a community of people. There's 500,000 people there. But here's the thing, folks. We're talking to two other groups right now. One that's like 6 million people, and it's in the East, and it's an entire country. Yes, that's what we're working on. We're working on tokenizing large communities. Guess where they're going to do their transactions? PulseX. Guess what they have to use in order to do those transactions? Pulse. In my opinion, the Richard Hart ecosystem with a layer 1, with a DEX, with a wallet, with hopefully some sort of privacy token or security token, perhaps a means of exchange in the form of a stablecoin, and fiat on-ramps and off-ramps, it will be the sovereign alternative to the CBDCs and the control. It'll be truly decentralized and will be built on the right, immutable, no admin key philosophy that is about not getting wrecked. If you don't see that vision in that future, wake up. This isn't just a game when Lambo. And if you're young and you don't care about this stuff, you don't care about your future, you're like, I'm not married, I don't have kids, I don't care about that stuff. Fine. This is not the project for you. This is not the channel for you. If you're concerned about where things are going, and I'm telling you what, it is rotten and it's got a stench. And if we don't stand up and say no, birthing men